Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 CLS 53 AMG. This one's Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath it is a 3-liter inline-6 bi-turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one comes with the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, Turbo 4MATIC Plus badging on the side, a metal weave carbon fiber look trim, black Napa exclusive leather interior with red stitching, sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG CLS 53 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, speed limit assist, heads up display, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats included with the warmth and comfort package, heated armrest, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB port, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving functions. This CLS has 39,791 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 CLS 53 AMG, visit us at feldmannimports.com.